Hello from DFS Aviation Services. Additionally to being a certified ANSP, we provide consulting services in air traffic management, both nationally and internationally, and we have been doing this for a number of years. Our vast pool of subject matter experts from the DFS Group enable us to have suitable resources to assist you in specific topics. Our vast portfolio covers more than 29 topics grouped in 6 clusters. These clusters are strategy and blueprints, where we offer analytics, audits, civil-military cooperation and studies. Operations and future skies, where we offer ACDM and TAM, airspace route and procedure design, change management, ConOps development and operational consulting. Performance and environment, where we offer capacity, green flying, safety management and simulation. Digital virtual towers, where we offer strategy and cost-benefit analysis, operational concepts, workplace design, safety assessment, certification processes and training and transition. Technology and virtualization, where we offer ATFCM, engineering, future ATM ATS technology, GBAS, RIAS and system transition. And drones and UAEs, where we offer advanced air mobility, urban air mobility, integration with manned aviation both in controlled and in uncontrolled airspace, and operational concepts. Reach out to us for a meeting to discuss your individual challenges so that we can explain in detail the topic that applies to you, and our subject matter experts can tailor a proposal to help you resolve these. Our German experience and the insights gained from our international projects will be brought to you.